Today we are going to study trigonometry. What it's in the third semester of maths pedagogy. So trigonometry is a branch of science that studies the relationship involving the lengths and angles of the triangle. So the angles of the triangle and the length. So what happened in the 3rd century BC? The astronomers saw that the the lengths of the right angle triangle and the angles between those sides have fixed values. So the lengths of the right angle triangle and the angles between those sides have fixed values, fixed relationship. So they found in the 3rd century BC. We can write in the history of trigonometry if it's asked in the question. So all other angles and lengths can be determined algorithmically. So all other angles and lengths can be determined, okay, by the formulas. Calculations of trigonometric functions, pure and applied mathematics. So what we do in trigonometry, calculation of trigonometric functions, we use in pure and applied mathematics, okay. We use in Fourier transform, wave equations like the cyclical phenomenon, which is used in physical and mechanical, electrical engineering, astronomy, ecology, biology. So there is a cyclical phenomenon, wave equation, the cyclical phenomenon of the wave equations, which is used in physics, mechanical, electrical engineering, astronomy, ecology, and biology, and many more. So trigonometry is used in Fourier transforms, wave equations, cyclical phenomena. Trigonometry is the foundation of surveying. We are going to study more about a brief overview of trigonometry. One angle is 90 degree and all other angles, okay, if one angle is 90 degree, one of the other angle is known, then the third angle can be determined because the sum of all the angles is 180 degree in a triangle. Once angles are known, the ratios of sides are determined regardless of the overall size of the triangle. How much size the triangle is it? Once the angles are known, the ratios of the sides can be determined by the trigonometric formulas. We know the angles, so the sides can be determined regardless of the overall size of the triangle. Length of one of the sides known, the other two are determined. Okay, the length of one of the side is known, other two are determined. They have many, like we will see the formulas now. Like this is a right angle triangle ABC, and these are the sides A, B, and C denoted by small ABC. Then sine A formula is A by C, that is perpendicular by hypotenuse. Cos A is B by C, that is base by hypotenuse. Just know that in sine and cos we are having hypotenuse, and in sine, like sine is like we do a sign like this tick mark, so just know that it's perpendicular sine. And cos is base by hypotenuse, and tan A is A by B. Tan A has nothing to do with the perpendicular, do with hypotenuse. It's just A by B. So hypotenuse is the side opposite to the 90 degree. So just know what is hypotenuse. Is the side opposite to the 90 degree is the hypotenuse. We can know so ka toa, okay. We just know sine A is equal to opposite angle, like this is sine A, so it is opposite angle by hypotenuse, so it is A by C. Cos A is equal to adjacent by hypotenuse, cos A, this is cos A, this is A. What is the value of cos A? Is adjacent by hypotenuse, okay. And tan A is opposite by adjacent. Tan A, just know it's tan A here, it's opposite by adjacent, A by B. So this is a formula, and it can be done by so ka toa, like sine SOH, so ka CAH toa, TOA toa. Okay, cosec A, sec A, and cot A are just the inverse. Sine A, this is cosec is hypotenuse by opposite. This is sec A. Cos का sec होता है, tan का cot होता है, सबको पता है. Sin का cosec होता है. Okay, cos का cosec नहीं होता है, sin का cosec होता है, and cos का sec होता है. So you just know this. Now we are going to do what are arithmetic relations between these functions are trigonometric identities. No, there are particular arithmetic relations also between these functions. जो भी प्लस माइनस जो भी समझो एरिथमेटिक रिलेशंस होता है वो ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक आइडेंटिटीज होता है. वर्चुअली ऑल क्वेश्चंस अबाउट आर्बिट्री ट्राइंगल्स बाय यूजिंग द लॉ ऑफ साइंस एंड कोसाइंस. ओके, जितने भी क्वेश्चंस आर्बिट्री ट्राइंगल्स पे आते हैं लॉ ऑफ साइंस और लॉ ऑफ कोसाइंस जो हम लोग आगे देखेंगे उस पे बेस्ड आते हैं. मैथ्स इज जस्ट अबाउट फॉर्मूलाज. यू जस्ट नो, डोंट नीड टू अप्लाई योर माइंड सो मच इन इट. You just need to be logical. You just need to know the formulas. Without practice, like you have to do the practice so that you can memorize the formulas. Okay, you have to be in regular practice to memorize the formulas. So these laws, remaining angle and sides of the triangle, by these laws, okay, law of sines and law of cosines, trigonometric identities like remaining angles and sides of any triangle can be found. Two sides are given, included angle can be found. Two angles are given, side can be found. Three sides are known. These laws, okay, these laws are found in all branches of geometry since every polygon finite combinations of triangle. मतलब कि ये सारा लॉज है, ये सारे ब्रांचेस ऑफ ज्योमेट्री में देख सकते हैं. जैसे कि एक पॉलीगन होता है वो फाइनाइट नंबर ऑफ ट्राइंगल्स पे बेस्ड होता है, तो ज्योमेट्री में पॉलीगन का यूज़ होता है. तो ये लॉ का यूज़ हो जाता है बिकॉज हम लोग ट्राइंगल में यूज़ कर रहे हैं. ट्राइंगल इज़ अ पार्ट ऑफ ज्योमेट्री एंड पॉलीगन में बहुत सारे फाइनाइट ट्राइंगल्स होते हैं, तो ये सारे लॉज यूज़ हो सकते हैं. ओके, एक्सटेंडिंग द डेफिनेशन 0 and 90 degree. 0 and 90 degree, 0 and pi by 2 radians, unit circle, one can extend them to all positive and negative arguments. Use trigonometric functions. The trigonometric functions are periodic, 360 degree or 2 pi radians. That means values repeat at those intervals. Trigonometric functions values repeat at those intervals. Okay, these are periodic, 360 degree or 2 pi radians. The trigonometric functions can be defined in other ways besides the geometrical definitions above. These trigonometric functions, okay, these can be defined in other ways, okay, besides the geometrical definitions alone. With these functions, the trigonometric functions can be defined for complex numbers. Trigonometric functions can be defined for complex numbers also. It's useful in, like in complex numbers, e to the power x plus iy is equal to e to the power x cos y plus I sin y. This is the formula for complex numbers. So trigonometric functions can be defined for complex numbers. Now we just to know here a short in this video that what are mnemonics are the facts and relationship in trigonometry. Sine, cosine, tangent, ratios and right angle can be remembered by representing as the corresponding sides. Just mnemonics what we learned: SOHCAHTOA. Sine is sine opposite by hypotenuse, cos is cos adjacent by hypotenuse, tan is opposite by adjacent. So everybody like used to confuse whole of our life about SOHCAHTOA. Like what is sine? Sine is simply, I told you, sine is like a tick mark. It's perpendicular by hypotenuse, cos is base by hypotenuse and tan is perpendicular by base. So it's very simple to remember. So this is just a history of trigonometry. Like question in maths pedagogy will be asked what is the history of trigonometry. So you can write the mnemonics. You can write extending the definitions. It extends between 0 and 90 degree. The trigonometric functions are periodic, 360 degree or 2 pi radians. This means the values repeat between 360 and 2 pi radians. Okay, there are arithmetic relations. These are called trigonometric identities. You just need to know mnemonics and trigonometric identities, and you just need to know what is trigonometry. Trigonometry is used in Fourier transform, wave equations, cyclical phenomenon, which is used in physics, mechanical, electrical engineering, astronomy, ecology, biology, trigonometry, foundation of surveying. And the overview, we have to see that all angles is 180 degree. Once the angles are known, the ratio of the sides can be determined. You need to know, and we will see this by the formulas, how the angle is known and ratio of the side can be determined. Like sine A is known. Okay, so the ratio is perpendicular by hypotenuse. We have to solve the formulas. Just knowing the history and the theoretical part is not enough for maths is all about practice. Like till now we have only done practice of maths, we have not learned about maths pedagogy, which we are doing this just in B.Ed. So it's just a kind of little overview, and we just have to practice a lot. So the formulas are given: sine, cos, soca, toa. So this is just the overview of this trigonometry, and now the next part of trigonometry we will see. Okay.